Hi, this is CryptoVit, and I wanted to make another video about ECC and how to purchase ECC coins using CryptoBridge. So CryptoBridge is another exchange platform similar to Binance and all the rest of them out there, but it's a little bit different because it actually there's a desktop version, as you see right here. But you can access it through the internet just like anything else. That's where you would need to download it. You can download the version here, go through the process, or you just launch it. It still works through the internet, but it's a desktop version. So you could click launch. Whether you, if you want to basically deposit your Bitcoin, um, once you purchase Bitcoin, and my best recommendation is to purchase Bitcoin from Coinbase. Take the Bitcoin and then transfer it over to CryptoBridge. So how would you do that? You would take go into here, exchanges. Sorry, you go into here, you click on Bitcoin, ETC, deposit. So you take this address, you would copy it, copy this address, go into your Coinbase account, and you would deposit your Bitcoin to this address. Now, once you've deposited your Bitcoin to your CryptoBridge account, you can just pretty much access the exchange site, and your funds would be reflected in here. Now, I currently don't have any Bitcoin in here, but I'm going to kind of show you how to get here anyways. So you would go in here, you would put whatever price you would want to purchase at. So you can go in here. Let's just say you want to purchase at 37. The easiest way to do this is just highlight this, copy, and then this price is 37, whatever quantity. Let's just say you wanted to do 10,000. You can't buy because there's insufficient funds, but if you had the funds in here, it would let you execute. Now, which price do you want to pay? Well, that depends. You could either purchase at the buy orders, or you could purchase at the sell orders. Now, sell orders are what people are currently trying to sell at. So that's the asking price. These are the bid prices. So this is going to take a lot longer to fill if you're trying to purchase. This will fill instantly if you're trying to purchase. So pretty much, if you're willing to pay 37 satoshis, your order will fill in fast. Now let's just go back to here, ECC. Now this is how you withdraw. You withdraw. This is deposit. This is withdraw. Withdraw now. You put in the amount here. Let's just say you want 59,000. I currently have 59,999. And you go into your Linux wallet and you look at receive address. You copy this. You go back into your CryptoBridge. You take this address and you click withdrawal. It's pretty straightforward. The fee, which is actually blockchain withdrawal fee, is only 6 ECCs. If you do the math, that's actually a micro of a micro penny, which is extremely insignificant. So you click withdrawal. Your login information should be set to that, and then it's going to ask you to confirm. You click confirm, and under here, this transaction is going to eventually appear here. So just wait for it. As soon as that transaction gets processed, it's going to be deposited to here. It usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour, just depending on what exchange site you're using. Coin exchanges seems to be pretty quick. CryptoBridge, I'm not extremely familiar with it, but oh yeah, there it goes now. See, that was actually pretty fast. I literally just clicked on the button literally a few minutes ago. So anyways, just wait for this. As soon as this processes, it might, like I said, it could take a few minutes. It could take up to half an hour. With ECC, everything seems to be extremely fast and extremely cheap. There's almost practically no fees revolving around it, which is amazing. So bear in mind, ECC has quite a bit of future potential. Thanks for watching this, and just check out some of my future videos. Thank you.